Here I got the MS-25-1C. It's got the easy to open gas and oil. It's also got an easy chain adjustment. All you got to do is pull this out, spin it, adjust the knob at the top to plus or minus, however, if you want to loosen or tighten. It's got the little primer bulb to pump up. It's also got the quick start on it. You pull the starter all the way out, and at the end it has a little compression that it pops and starts. We're going to try that a little bit later. It also only has the one knob for starting. You got your full choke, half choke, and then you on idle when you hit the gas, and then straight up is off. Okay, so we're gonna go try this fella out. Okay, everybody, I'm here to try out the Stihl. I want to show you these little, because I didn't quite show it to you enough on the last one. To pop open the gas, just flips over in half, spin it, opens up, and they filled it up with gas for me at the shop where I purchased it. And they also filled up the oil. Just pops open. Stick it back in there, turn, and lock her down. Same thing on the other side with the chain. You just pop this little flap out, spin her. Let me get my hand out of the way. Spin it to loosen it. That'll give you some slack on your bar, and you just adjust it with this knob here to tighten it up, and then you spin it to tighten it back down, and lock her down. Okay, we're gonna try to give this thing a start. Okay, here we go. Now to start it, you gotta prime it till your bubble fills up. And then what you're gonna do when it's cold is you're gonna squeeze the trigger, pull the choke all the way down. If you don't squeeze the trigger, the choke won't go all the way down. Crank on it a few times. When you hear it bump, you move it to half throttle. Once it's at half throttle, you can go ahead and start it. When you give it the gas, it automatically goes to the idle position. All right, let's try to use this thing. Okay, from what I can tell, it's very powerful. Starts very easy. Man, I think I'm really gonna like this.